This is Scott Rosano for Gigbuilder 6, Availability Setup and Config. Gigbuilder 6 uses two types of formulas for configuring date availability. They're found in Tools, System Configuration, Availability Office Hours. The first section is for your meeting schedule and can be configured as follows. We have two time ranges. Range 1 is your standard hours and is best used when the office has a set open and close time. Clients can schedule appointments during the open time if enabled. Range 2 can be used if you have split office times. For example, maybe you have a full-time job and you're a single op. You've got a few hours in the morning and you've got a few hours in the evening with a big break in the middle. This will allow you to use both time ranges. The hours of operation drop-down determine how Gigbuilder will schedule appointments for the client. This is not the same as scheduling an event. We'll cover that in a few minutes. By appointment only. Hours display for information only. Clients cannot schedule meetings on their own. All time ranges. Clients can book a meeting, if available, anytime your office is open, either range 1 or range 2. And finally, appointments in time range 2. Time range 1 is my office hours. Time range 2 is only the times that we can book appointments. So those are your ways of going about it. Determine what's best for you, and let's scroll down to the booking engine. To book services, we go by a simple numbering system, which you see below, or use available inventory. Gigbuilder can book multiple services, such as a photo booth, sound system, videographer, and the list goes on. Now the configuration for this section is for the primary service only. Now most of our customers only have a single service they book through Gigbuilder, which would be your primary line of service. So select, in this case here, we're just going to put down DJ. Now to configure by day of the week. This has been the default since Gigbuilder was first introduced. It's really simple. Provide a number of maximum events if it can be handled on a particular day of the week. Single op systems will generally place a 1 straight across the line, just like this. Whereas multi-op systems may want to add a little bit more than what they can handle. Again, if you've got 3 or 4 systems out there, it's very possible between 3 of the 4 you might be able to handle a 5th event on a given day. So that's why we suggest that. Basically like on a Saturday. Say I've got 3 DJs or 3 photographers that are out, including myself. I may want to put 4 down there, because I guarantee somewhere between that we'll probably have some available time. And that's one way of working about it. If we're done with this, we can hit save. Let's also show you how to use available systems. This is a more modern approach and has Gigbuilder handling your inventory, and it'll automatically determine, based upon the date and service requested, if availability is possible. We use inventory systems and rooms, which can be configured elsewhere. We'll do that in a moment. Looking at the demo, we can see 4 systems, and 3 of them are dedicated to DJ, which happens to be the default service. Notice any requested date on a Monday or Tuesday for a DJ will fail. Why? If you look at the inventory, our primary service is DJ, and none of the 3 systems have Monday or Tuesday configured. Now save your changes and we'll go on to configuring a system. For that, we go down to Inventory, Systems Rooms, and click New. It's pretty simple. I give it a name. We can call this George's DJ System. Your clients will never see it. George's Garage. It's just for your information. Which service this is going to be for. If this was for, say you do karaoke separately, you can change it, whatever else it wants. And on top of that, we want to make sure if they're an assigned resource. So if this is George's system and Joe is in charge of it, they both go together. The dates available, you just simply pick the day of the week. We're going to leave it blank for now until we're done with that. We give it any description we want, and optionally we can also add as many components as we want. We hit save, we'll see that all down there, and we'll also see that availability is not scheduled. now that we've got everything saved, we can go in to Web Tools and our Widget Playground, and let's check something out. Let's check out a Monday. Notice the date is booked, as I just explained earlier. So you can see as you add systems to your Gigbuilder, it'll automatically change your availability. Set it and forget it.